This is a good, easy way to mince garlic. Usually you're gonna find garlic in these beautiful bulbs. To get each clove out, sometimes I like to kind of just smash the bulb because that loosens up all the cloves. So what you'll do is you'll place this end on the cutting board, place your hand on top, and really use that body weight to smash it. Okay, oh, there we go. You might want to roll it around a little because what happens is it starts to loosen up the cloves here, and then it's a lot easier to pull them apart, like this. There we go. So what you'll do is you'll single out as many cloves as you're using for your recipe. I usually use a lot. Sometimes you'll get lucky and it'll just start peeling on its own, which is great. But should you not get lucky and you get one that's kind of like this, it's really wrapped in its wrapper, I like to take my knife and basically just give it one good smash and it instantly pops out the clove, just like this. Here we go. It's almost like it jumps out for you. So now we're just gonna mince. Take your fingers and put it in a nice C shape so you don't get your fingertips. Lay the tip of your knife on your cutting board and slowly start to cut the bigger cloves. Once you have nothing to hang on to anymore, I like to just take my hand to put it on top of the knife just so my fingers are out of the way. And you're just gonna wanna do a consistent motion of chopping, just like this. Kind of scoot the cloves together once they start to separate. You'll get some bigger cloves stuck on your knife, so just kind of pull them off like that. Do it carefully and just keep mincing away. And then what you'll do is you'll take a little bit of salt, I'll just show you here. Sprinkle a little bit of salt on the minced garlic and take your knife and basically smash the garlic into the cutting board. And what's gonna happen is it's gonna start flattening out the garlic and making it smaller and smaller and smaller. So basically it's just gonna do this. And the reason we put salt on top of the garlic is because it actually acts as an abrasive element that helps you break up the garlic as you're smashing it onto the cutting board. So if you can see how this is flattening out compared to the cuts over here, it's just gonna melt into the dish or into your sauce a lot better.
Are you looking for more product advice and wisdom from me?
Or me?
Or me?
Hit that subscribe button or head over to thedesirecompany.com for more classes, how-tos, and reviews.